Well, welcome back, everybody. I don't know if you've seen, but a week or so ago, I was watching Hamiltonville Farm 50,000 subs live stream, and I won a Sawhaul for my tractor. So I got it. It got here in like 6 days after that live stream, so that was like really fast. But I'm going to go ahead and try to get this installed on my tractor, and we'll see how it goes. And it looks like I'm going to have to get my chainsaw out and get to doing some stuff around there. I've got some down trees and stuff, but I won't be doing that today. But we're going to go ahead and get this installed, so stick around. Let's get it opened up. I haven't even opened it yet. Got. Let's see what we got in here. Of course, we got newspaper, packing, lots of newspaper. Got some brackets. Looks like the scabbard here. I'm assuming a box of hardware, so we'll see. I got to figure out where I'm assuming it's going to mount right here, but we'll see. Let's see. Read the instructions. I know that's kind of weird. To the flat board. Alright, I'm back with an extension now for my socket. If I can remember what I did with my socket. And let's see. Do with all my stuff. There's that one. What did I do with the other one? There it is. Almost lost it. Almost lost it. That's a little tricky. Get that in there. Okay, that one started. So let's get this other one. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's there we go. Allen wrench. Let's see what we got for an Allen wrench. Might be a little bigger than that. There we go. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm no mechanic for sure. I certainly am not a mechanist. Alright, so there's that. Alright, what's the next step? Alright, flat bar. Okay, yada yada yada. Creates lock nuts through the small hole in the back of the Sawhaul mount. Tighten. Okay, position the U-bolt number 4 around the back of the lift arm of the tractor, making sure it's out of the way. Align the flat bar plate number 3 through the threads of the U-bolt, making sure the Sawhaul mount number 1 is right side up, as indicated by the Sawhaul sticker on the bracket. Okay, we can do that. And then tighten 1/2-inch lock nuts onto the threads of the U-bolt using socket and or okay. So that's got to go somewhere like that. I see. It's gonna have to, assuming we're supposed to use the washers and whatnot. See where we're supposed to put those washers. Assuming right, folks. All right. I am assuming that we put a washer. No, that washer don't go on. All right. Guess we don't got no water. See what I got as far as a 3/4. Look at that. I guess that'd probably been easier with an impact driver or something, but we'll get that on there either way. That's got a long way to go, man. Here now. We're getting it there. Just wondering what angle this thing's gonna be held at to avoid that pin. That's what I have to be able to get that pin out. running out of deep well socket there. Gonna have to switch to a wrench here in a second. Yep. What do I got? Super easy install for sure. I just hope it's going to work with those pins. We'll see. But it's relatively adjustable, so as far as position. Sorry about the wind. It's really windy here, which I'm not horribly opposed to because it's helping dry things out quite a lot. Alright, so now we're getting somewhere. So that will not interfere. How about that? I think Sawhaul's got it figured out. I think they just might, because it's not going to interfere with I think, man, I got grease everywhere. Let me loosen that up just a little bit so that I can slide it that way. Gonna be it. Yeah. How about that, huh? And then, I believe, this bugger slides right in there like that. So hang tight. Well, alright everybody, I got the Sawhaul installed. I'm now gonna just drop my chainsaw in there and we'll see if it works. Now I don't have a big fancy chainsaw like a Steel or anything like that. I got a Poulan Pro, 295 Pro. I haven't run it in quite some time, so it probably needs a little work, but we're gonna see. Here we go. Well, there it is. It seems to work pretty good. It's got this, I think it's designed to just kind of pivot just a little bit, maybe. Unless that snaps in there, I'll have to try that. I don't know. Nope, that's it. Oh no, it's got a slot. There it is. Had to put that down in there a little more. There. All right. So again, thank you, Hank and Gina Hamilton, for allowing me to participate in your 50,000 sub live stream and winning the Sawhaul. So it was kind of fun. So I'll leave that on the tractor and we'll start using it, I guess. Mama's been wanting me to cut up some of these trees we have cut down and whatnot, so I'll get them cut and get them out of the way. It's been a long time since I cut any firewood, but I guess I could start. So again, thanks a bunch. click that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I'm right in a range of 150 subs away. So the more of you that can sub, the better. And we'll get to 1,000, and maybe we'll have some surprises of our own. So click the like button, click subscribe, tell all your friends. We'll see you next time.